Do you want to learn more about the world's deadliest drones? You're presumably considering the types of drones that are employed by military forces, aren't you? Greetings! I hope everyone's doing well. This video is about the top 5 most deadly military drones. So let's watch the video now without further ado. General Atomics Aeronautical Systems manufactures these top 5 drones. As according to payload capacity and the number of guns carried, military ranks the top 5 combat drones in the world, from the Predator Sea Avenger to the TAI Anka. On number 5, we have MQ-1C Gray Eagle. The U.S. Army Aviation Transformation Plan would include the development of the MQ-1C Gray Eagle unmanned aircraft system. The aircraft, manufactured by General Atomic Aeronautical System, is used to meet the criteria for intelligence gathering, surveillance, and target acquisition. The UAS's full fuel and exterior payload capabilities are 261 kg and 227 kg respectively, while its maximum actual quantity is 488 kg. 4 Hellfire missiles can be carried by the combat drone version. EO and IR sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and communication relay sensors are some other payloads. The MQ-1C Gray Eagle's maximum takeoff weight is 1,633 kilograms, and it's powered by a Thielert 165 HP heavy fuel engine. The UAV's maximum authorized altitude and top speed are 29,000 feet and 167 kilometers an hour respectively. The UAS has an endurance cap. The U.S. Army initiated the Extended Range Multipurpose UAV competition in 2002, with the winning aircraft due to replace the MQ5 Hunter. 2 aircraft were entered, the IAI Northrop Grumman Hunter II and the Warrior. In August 2005, the Army announced the Warrior to be the winner and awarded a $214 million contract for system development and demonstration. The Army intended to procure 11 Warrior systems, each of these units having 12 UAVs and 5 ground control stations. With an expected total program cost of $1 billion, the aircraft was to enter service in 2009. The Army announced on 3 September 2010 that the integration of the AGM-114 Hellfire missile on the UAV had been so successful that 4 weaponized MQ-1Cs would be deployed to Afghanistan in late 2010. On number 4, we have CAIG Wing Loom 2. While the concept was presented in 2015, the prototype itself was launched a year later in 2016 during the Airshow China exhibition in Zhuhai. It's an upgraded variant of CAIG Wing Loom 1 with a wider wingspan and length. Wings of the vehicle are equipped with hardpoints, which can be used to carry bombs, missiles, or rockets. It was used by United Arab Emirates in the Libyan civil war, and most of them were destroyed during the military actions taken between opposing sides. The Wing Loom 2 unmanned aerial vehicle designed and developed by the Aviation Industry Corporation of China is the advanced version of Wing Loom 1 UAV. The aircraft serves the People's Liberation Army Air Force. Intended for surveillance, reconnaissance, and aerial strikes, the drone can carry a maximum external payload of 480 kilograms. It can carry up to 12 laser-guided bombs or missiles, including FT-950 bombs, GB3 250 kilogram laser-guided bombs, and TL-10 missiles. The medium-altitude long-endurance aircraft can endure for 32 hours and cruise at a maximum speed of 199 km. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 4,200 kilograms and a service ceiling of 32,480 feet. On number 3, we have MQ5B Hunter. In use with the U.S. Army since 1996, recently surpassed 50,000 flight hours in service, over half of which were flown in combat over Iraq and the former Yugoslavia. Northrop Grumman-operated Hunter MQ-5A and Army-operated MQ-5B models are currently deployed in the global war on terrorism. Hunter provides warfighters with state-of-the-art reconnaissance, surveillance, target acquisition, communications relay, and weapons delivery. Hunter is currently operated by the US, French, and Belgian armies. Designed and developed by Northrop Grumman, the MQ5B Hunter multi-mission unmanned aircraft has been operational with the U.S. Armed Forces for the last 2 decades, meeting all the standards set by the U.S. Department of Defense. The Hunter UAV is capable of carrying a total payload of 226.8 kilograms. It can carry multiple sensors such as electro-optical or infrared and communication systems in addition to external weapons such as Northrop Grumman Viper Strike laser-guided munition. Powered by a heavy fuel engine, the MQ5B Hunter has a maximum takeoff weight of 884.50 kilograms and a maximum service ceiling of 18,000 feet. The unmanned aircraft can reach a maximum speed of 120 km and endure for 21 hours. MQ5C Hunter, a larger version of the MQ5B, is capable of remaining airborne for up to 30 hours. On number 2, we have Yabhon United 40. The Yabhon United 40 male aircraft, also known as Smart I-2, is designed and developed by UAE-based manufacturer ADCOM Systems. The aircraft is in service with Algerian forces and locally named as Algeria 54. The multi-mission UAV is capable of carrying a maximum payload of 1,000 kilograms, which includes sensors and surveillance systems such as camera platforms, synthetic aperture radar, and sonar. The combat drone features 4 pods under the wing for carrying ammunition weighing up to 400 kilograms. The unmanned aircraft also has provision for additional fitment of external payload near the belly of the fuselage. Powered by a hybrid turbine electric propulsion system, the aircraft can reach a maximum speed of 118 km and can remain airborne for 120 hours. The maximum permission takeoff weight of the aircraft is 1,500 kilograms. Before we go to number 1, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss any update from our channel. Now the number 1 we have is TAI Anka. The Anka, unmanned aerial vehicle, has been operational with the Turkish Air Force since 2017. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, the UAV is designed to meet the reconnaissance, surveillance, target recognition, and detection requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces. The total payload carrying capacity of the Anka UAV is 200 kilograms, which includes an identification friend or foe system, laser designator, laser finder, and weapon payloads such as rogue-stand smart micro-munition, air-launched missile launcher, and laser-guided 𝒍𝒊𝒌𝒆 2.75-in rocket. The combat drone is powered by a 150 HP turboprop PD-170 engine developed by Turkish Engine Industries. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,600 kilograms, maximum altitude of 30,000 feet, and endurance of more than 24 hours. That would be it for today's video. We hope you found this video informative. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel and don't miss to hit the bell.